Welcome. If you're looking to make your Discord experience easier on the eyes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Discord Web using your PC following the latest update. Whether you're a night owl, want to reduce eye strain, or just love the sleek look of dark themes, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Discord website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, username, and right next to it, a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings menu. Now, you'll see a list of different options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up the theme settings. Here, you'll see a few options for how Discord looks. By default, it's usually set to light, but you'll also see the option for dark. Simply click on Dark to switch over. Instantly, your entire Discord interface will transform into a darker color scheme, making it much easier on your eyes, especially in low light environments. There's no need to save or restart. Once you select dark, the change happens right away. And that's it. You've just enabled dark mode on Discord Web with just a few simple clicks. Enjoy chatting, gaming, and connecting with friends in a more comfortable, stylish environment. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and choose a different theme. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.